It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a nice relaxing cozy clean with me. As it's pouring down with rain today, I want it to be super comfortable, so I'm just going to go pottering around the house, seeing what needs to be done and slowly check off my to-do list. I really hope it gives you all the motivation to do the same. Do let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning along with me today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just jump straight into today's video. So the first thing that I wanted to get done today was the kitchen. There's just a little bit of washing up that I didn't get around to doing last night, so I need to put that away and clean all the sides and also clean the sink. I don't think the room is completely finished until you have a nice sparkly sink. I think it really does give a nice finishing touch to the whole room. So I'm just going to go around wiping down the sides, cleaning the sink and just getting it ready for the day.
It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
So since I've organised my fridge, I've started to do a food prep as well, and I can't believe I wasn't doing this before, but I find it so relaxing to do this as well. But it's also super handy because it is so easy to just grab a chocolate bar or a packet of crisps that the fruit really doesn't get touched that often. Until I've started doing a food prep, I've noticed a lot more fruit does get eaten. So I think if you're trying to eat more fruit, or you're trying to get your kids to eat more fruit, definitely cut it up and get it prepared, ready in food containers in the fridge, because I think you'd be amazed at how quickly it goes when it is ready to just grab and go rather than having to prepare it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it with the strawberries, and I've also got some peppers and things that I need to get chopped up as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted is to be loved. What if
next I'm going to head through into the living room and give that a good tidy and make it all nice and cozy, because I love making it cozy for the evening time. There's nothing better than a cozy night at home, so I love making it as cozy as possible. So in the evening I can go around and light all of the candles and just settle down for the evening and just feel nice and cozy.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So I love having this fire background on the TV. I just think it looks so pretty and it makes the whole room feel even cozier. All I did was type in fire backgrounds here on YouTube, and you have a ton to choose from, because I'm always getting so many questions both on here and on Instagram whenever I post it, wondering how I get it on the TV like this. But it is just a YouTube background. I do it sometimes during spring and summer as well, with like flowers and stuff, just to brighten the room up, because all the walls are white. I just think this splash of orange and red in the corner really brightens it up, and also it gives it a warmth, which is just what we need during these colder months. But yeah, if you're looking to do the same, you can just type in any type of background here on YouTube.
I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
So now I've made the downstairs nice and clean and fresh and ready for a nice cozy evening in. It's time to hang up the laundry. There's only the one lot to do today, so there's not that much at all. So I'm just going to go through it and hang it up ready for tomorrow.
Look at my heart, it's out of the dark. You know it's true, you know it's true. I've known from the start, your state of the art.
Don't forget to head over to my Instagram if you do want to follow me on more of a daily basis. I do post over there every single day, giving you instant cleaning motivation and also just behind the scenes of my life and what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube. I also let you know over there when my bonus YouTube videos are going to be going live, so you don't want to miss it. I'll have my Instagram link down in the description below.
And me, we both walked away from nothing to say. We're all been used, nobody sees the truth. Of course we're yearning for something, yeah, we're still burning and wanting. When this battle is over, and we're not very much older, but jaded indeed, we've got skeleton keys. When the darkness is over and your it's getting closer, closer to me. Will you start to...
Thank you so much for watching today's Cozy Clean with me. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also let me know down in the comments. I am going to go ahead and leave another video up on the screen here for you so you can find even more motivation today, and I will see you back here in the next one.